In today's video, we're going to do a quick review of U.S. traditional multiplication. Let's jump right in. We're going to start on the top and we're going to go from right to left, and each digit gets multiplied by the ones place right here. So in this case, we have a 5. So 8 times 5 is 40. Next, we do 2 times 5, and 2 times 5 is 10, and then we add this 4 onto that to get 14. And finishing up here, we take the hundreds place, so 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1 is 21. So 428 times 5 is 2,140. Okay, let's move on to the practice portion of the home link for today. And that one we're going to be writing each power of 10 using exponential notation. And let's start with the number 10,000. So 10,000 is 10 times 10 is 100, times 10 is 1,000, times 10 is 10,000. So 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 equals 10 to the 4th. Remember, we've got a 4 here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros here. That can be helpful going from our just a number in standard form to exponential notation. And let's try 1 million. So I'm going to write down 1 million, and in your head or on paper, I'd like for you to write down exponential notation. So this right here for 1 million. Okay, we've got 10 times 10 is 100, times 10 is 1,000, times 10 is 10,000, times 10 is 100,000, and times 10 is 1 million. So that's going to equal 10 to the 6th power, and we have 6 as our exponent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros here. Thanks for watching.